'Cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone. In a second, I'll be right there.
Okay, we're almost there. Almost
there. Don't you be afraid. You don't need no space. Just follow me. Like a mirror.
Oh my god! Brittany, keep going! Go, baby!
Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me.
The low pressure pockets under the helicopter blades are creating rain.
Don't jump into that car tonight. I'm not leaving without a fight. Now you're always on my mind. Turn around, hold me tight. Turn around and we will be alright. Don't you be afraid. Just follow me.
This is a baby armadillo playing with its favorite toy.
Just follow me. Like a mirror, you reflect me. Like a Friday night on the weekend. I feel blessed and free. I just don't want this moment to end. But now you say you gotta go. Baby, why you gotta go? Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't
Jumping at the right time while going over a big wave lets you float for a second.
Baby, why you gotta go?
This is what it looks like when it snows at sea.
Like a mirror, you reflect me. I just don't want this. I just don't want this moment to end. If you ever feel alone, 'cause yeah, sometimes we'll feel alone.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video you want to feature on our channel, submit it to sweetviral.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Don't you be